Good morning, class. Today we will start our new chapter, chapter number 6, which is of integers. Now, tell me one thing. What do you mean by integers? Integers are the number in which negative and positive both comes together. इंटीजर्स वो नंबर होते हैं जिसमें आपके नेगेटिव साइंस वाले नंबर -2, -1, -3, -6 एंड प्लस वाले नंबर जो नेचुरल नंबर्स होते हैं 1, 2, 3, 4 दे ऑल कम टुगेदर. राइट? क्लियर द concept of integers. Once again, integers are collection of whole numbers and negative numbers are integers. Those number in which we will include whole plus negative, right? 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3. They all are the integers. Remember one thing, 0 neither positive nor negative. 0 ना ही आपकी पॉजिटिव नंबर है ना ही नेगेटिव है. दिस लाइज बिटवीन. सी, दिस इज अ नंबर लाइन. 0 lies here. From right side of the zeros there are the whole numbers. You can say positive number 1, 2, 3, and from left side -1, -2, -3. Clear? 0 is the center point where it is neither positive nor negative. From the right side of the 0 the number are positive, or you can say whole numbers, and from the left side of the zeros negative number. Right? Now in the first exercise we will study about today how you will put the positive sign and the negative sign. How you will know the number or the situation given, is it positive or negative. There are few such conditions by only visible. By only seeing them you can tell either it is positive or negative. Like when in any condition, if profit is done, then it is positive. If loss, then negative. अगर किसी भी सिचुएशन में प्रॉफिट है वहाँ पॉजिटिव होगा, लॉस है तो नेगेटिव होगा. सेकंड, हाइट. अगर हाइट गिवन है, जैसे माउंट एवरेस्ट की हाइट गिवन है आपको किसी पर्सन की हाइट गिवन है, या बोला जाए कि प्लेन फ्लाइंग एट दिस हाइट, तो वहाँ आप विच साइन यू विल यूज? पॉजिटिव. अपोजिट ऑफ हाइट इज डेप्थ. Opposite of height is depth. If depth is given, there you will use negative sign. And when depth, now about the depth is, this is the sea level. This is the sea level. Sea level is at 0. If downside you will come, then it is negative, because here depth, we are saying na, see how much going depth inside the water, so that is the depth. You will denote it with negative sign. And if you go up, the aeroplane is flying with the speed above the sea level, means above the sea level. Here you will positive and it denotes height. Clear the concept of depth? For depth, see, वन सी लेवल इज़ गिवन, जो भी आपका सी लेवल होता है किसी भी समुंदर का, रिवर का, एनीथिंग, हम उसको डिनोट करते हैं ज़ीरो से. इफ़ डाउन साइड यू गो इनसाइड द वाटर देन इट डिनोट्स डेप्थ, एंड डेप्थ with negative sign. Above the sea level it denotes with height, means positive sign. Clear? Next, third condition is like in bank you go withdraw and deposit. If deposit then profit means positive sign. If withdraw then negative. Now fourth one, you can say increase and decrease. Increase, decrease, right? These are the few points where you can, by only seeing these points in the condition, you will judge either it is positive or negative, right? Now come to the exercise 6.1. Exercise 6.1. Now the first question of this exercise, K1. Choose the correct sign for the figure in each of the following scenarios. There are few conditions given to you. Now first A part is 10 degree above the freezing point of water. Now what is the freezing point of water? Freezing point of water is 0 degree Celsius. Freezing point of water 0 degree Celsius. In first question it is given to you 10 degree above. 10 above to 0, what comes? Positive sign. 10 degree Celsius, right? B is a loss of 120. Already I told loss, it means which sign? Negative sign. So loss means minus 120. Clear? C part, an aeroplane flying at a height of 250 2500 meter. C part, an aeroplane flying at a height of 2500 meter above the sea level. Sea level को हम किससे डिनोट करते हैं? With 0. Above means height, and for the height we are using plus sign. Plus 2500 meter. Clear? Now K2, Phillips, fill in the blanks. Now A part, a collection of positive natural numbers, their negative counterparts means also negative number, and 0 is called integers. See beta, here one word counterparts used. Counterparts का मतलब है कि उन्हीं का opposite, जैसे 1 का opposite -1. They are saying they are negative counterparts, कि उन्हीं का negative parts. Clear? Same like 2 का negative parts -2. Now next B, dash is neither positive nor a negative integers. Which one? 0. It is neither negative nor positive. C part, dash is greater than negative integers but smaller than positive integers. What? Right, 0. See beta, 0 here. This is a number line. 0, -1 and +1. From this side if you see, it is the smallest number, and from this side it is the greatest number. So but one thing here, it is opposite, like 1 2 3, they are in ascending order, but -1, -2, -3 they are in descending order. पॉजिटिव साइन में जो छोटा है वो छोटा है, जो बड़ा नंबर है वो बड़ा है, लेकिन नेगेटिव साइन के साथ दे गोज अपोजिट, लाइक -7 इज द स्मॉलर देन -1. Clear? Now D part. Integers are represented by the letter. Integers are represented by I or Z. See, integers means I, capital I. E part. Integers less than 0 are negative integers. Integers less than 0 are negative integers. Clear? Now come to third. Represent the following expressions with appropriate integers. Same you have to put the integers. First, a temperature 5 degree lower than 0 degree Celsius. Lower means what come? Negative -5 degree. Right? B, no profit, no loss. It means nothing. So what comes there? 0. Now C part, 500 meter east. If means condition is there, east is considered as positive direction. ईस्ट को क्या कंसिडर्ड किया इन्होंने? पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन. सो 500 मीटर ईस्ट मीन्स +500, राइट, बिकॉज दे आर ऑलरेडी सेइंग कि ईस्ट जो है वो पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन है, एंड 500 मीटर ईस्ट. नाउ डी पार्ट, 1000 meter west if east is considered as positive direction. Now see beta, north, south, east, west, right? Now they are saying that 100 meter west this side, and east is considered as positive direction. If east को इन्होंने positive लिया, it means this is negative. अगर इस साइड से पॉजिटिव आ रहा है तो जब हम नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं सेंटर में 0, इफ दिस साइड पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव, सो इट गोज नेगेटिव -1000 मीटर. क्लियर? नाउ नेक्स्ट इज S1. Which situations would be best represented by -5? There are 4 सिचुएशंस दे रखे हैं यहाँ पे आपको, उनमें आपको देखना है बेस्ट रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय -5. रिप्रेजेंटेड मीन्स कि -5 जो है कौन सी कंडीशन में अप्रोप्रिएट आंसर हो सकता है. लाइक फर्स्ट इज एन इवेल्युएशन ऑफ 15 मीटर अबव द सी लेवल. Above the sea level, I already told what, positive or negative? Positive, but we want answer in negative, so no. Now B part, a growth of 5 centimeter. Growth means increase, and increase means height. So what, where we put height? Positive, negative? Positive. So this is also not. C part, a loss of ₹5. Loss means negative sign, so what come here? -5, right? Now D, so the condition this is correct. A movement of 5 meter to the right of a point. Movement of 5 meter to the right. See, 0 right side positive sign, left side negative. So a movement of 5 meter to the right of a point. Point के right side. If right side you move, there comes positive. So what? +5. So this is also not represented the condition. Clear? Only one situation is represent -5, and which one is a loss of ₹5. Clear to everyone? Now S2 part. Which of the following represent a movement to the 4th floor from the 6th floor? 4th floor from the 6th. फर्स्टली सीधा कंडीशन, 6th फ्लोर से 4th फ्लोर पे आना है, यानी 6th and 4. It means 2 step down means negative -2. Now the first option is A, which is up 10 means +10, but हमें 10 नहीं चाहिए, हमें सिर्फ 2 चाहिए, so it is also not correct. B, down 2, नीचे 2 points, down means minus, so this is correct. Down 2, correct. Next is up 2 means positive, it also can't. If up 2, it is already on 6th floor. Up 2 means 8th floor पे, but where he have to come? 4th floor. Now D, down 10, 6th floor से down 10 means, so it is also not, because down 10 he is already on 6th floor, where he goes down. If he is gone on 16th floor, then we can say down 10 means -6, right? But he is already on 6th floor, and where he go 10 down, it means in the basement, so this is also not suitable. Only one condition, which is down 2. Clear? Now come to the next one. In next question, one table is given to you, which is like this: place, temperature and integer. We have to put the integers, right? Now first is Hyderabad. Hyderabad 20 degree above 0 degree Celsius. So it is positive or negative? Above. So what comes here? Positive 20. Clear? Because they are saying that 20 degree above 0 degree Celsius, 0 degree से ऊपर है, it means positive. B, or you can say 2, Srinagar. 5 degree below 0 degree Celsius. Below 0 means what come? Positive or negative? Negative. 5 degree Celsius. C, Darjeeling. 11 degree below 0 degree Celsius. Same, below means negative, -11 degree Celsius. D part, Bengaluru. 15 degree above 0 degree Celsius. Means what come? Positive, negative? Positive 15 degree, right? Clear? Now see one more condition. For up you will use, you can put it here one more. Up positive, down negative, right? Next, sixth condition, above, then also you will use positive, and below, then also you will use negative. Clear? Now come to next question. A1. The highest temperature on a particular day, means on a fixed day, was below 5 degree, was 5 degree Celsius below 0 degree Celsius. Represent the temperature with the correct sign. Now you will tell me, below word is used, it means what comes? -5 degree Celsius. Particular day means on the fixed day. एक फिक्स डे की बात हो रही है जहाँ क्या बोला गया है? 5 degree below 0 degree Celsius. It means what comes here? minus 5 degree Celsius. Right? Now A2, represent the quantities in the following statement are numbers with the correct sign. A is a bird flying at a height of 35 meter above the sea level and a submarine traveling. There in the first part A, two things are given. First one is bird, second is submarine. Right? For the bird they are saying flying at the height of 35 meter above the sea level. Now above the sea level what we are using? Plus minus. Plus. So bird is 35 meter. Next submarine, and a submarine traveling underwater at a depth. I already told for the depth what we use? Negative. Minus 40 meter. Clear? See, it is also given. Considered the sea level to be 0. Bird flying above the sea level, so positive. Submarine inside the water or depth, so what comes here? Negative. Now B part. A child climbs up 10 steps from the ground floor and then come 20 steps down. Now for up what we use? Child goes up 10 step up, so plus 10. For down, how many steps come down? 20, so minus 20. Right? Now C part. The temperature on a cold night in Delhi is 5 degrees Celsius. What is 5 degrees Celsius? And that in Kulu Manali is 6 degrees below the 0 degree Celsius. Though two states temperature are there, Delhi and second one is Kulu Manali. Right? For Delhi, the temperature on a cold night in Delhi is 5 degrees Celsius. See here it is not given that 5 degrees Celsius is below 0 degree Celsius. तो क्या होगा? Positive, negative. It becomes positive 5 degrees Celsius. And in Kulu Manali is 6 degrees below 0 degree Celsius. So what comes? Minus 6 degrees Celsius. Right? Now third part. The highest point on earth is Mount Everest, which is approximately 29,035 feet above the sea level. The deepest part of the earth is the Mariana Trench, which is 36,070 feet below the sea level. Now there 2 points are given. First one is Mount Everest. First one is Mount Everest and second is Mariana Trench. For Mount Everest, which is given 29,035 feet above the sea level. Above the sea level, positive. And Mariana Trench, which is 36,070 feet below the sea level. For the sea level, what we use? Negative, which is 36,070 feet. Clear? Now come to A4. A4 part is on a particular day in Shimla. They are talking about Shimla. Once again particular day word use, it means कोई भी एक फिक्स डे की बात हो रही है यहाँ पे. The temperature was 15 degrees Celsius in the morning and 28 degrees Celsius in the afternoon. Represent both the temperature as integers. Right? Now they are talking about two times. First one is morning and second is afternoon. Right? Now for the morning they are saying 15 degrees Celsius in the morning. They are not saying it is below 0 degree, right? So what word we use, which sign we will use? Positive, negative? Positive 15 degrees Celsius, right? Next, afternoon, 28 degrees Celsius in the afternoon. Now here it is also not given that it is below 0 degrees Celsius or above 0 degrees Celsius. So what comes here? 28 degrees Celsius. सी बेटा, इन एनी क्वेश्चन अगर आपको ये गिवन नहीं है कि फिक्स डे पे जो टेम्परेचर है वो बिलो 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस है, इट मीन्स वो टेम्परेचर जो होगा वो अबव 0 डिग्री होगा. इफ़ बिलो वर्ड इज़ नॉट गिवन इट डजेंट मीन दैट इट कांट गो अप. अगर बिलो वर्ड नहीं है इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि आप उसको कंफ्यूज हो जाओ आप वहाँ पे कि उसको अबव करें या बिलो करें. सी, अगर बिलो गिवन नहीं है इट मीन्स डेफिनेटली वो अबव होगा. एंड इट इज़ नॉट बी मैंडेटरी कि अगर अबव टेम्परेचर है तो उसमें वो अबव वर्ड यूज़ हो. नहीं. लाइक इन द फोर्थ क्वेश्चन वी हैव डन ना, ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर डे इन शिमला द टेम्परेचर वॉज 15 डिग्री सेल्सियस इन द मॉर्निंग. यहाँ पे ये गिवन नहीं है कि वो अबव 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस है, बट वी यूज़ पॉजिटिव 15 ना, क्योंकि कंडीशन ये भी है कि बिलो 0 डिग्री गिवन नहीं है. आई होप माई पॉइंट इज़ क्लियर टू एवरीवन. अगर आपको क्वेश्चन में बिलो 0 डिग्री गिवन नहीं है इसका मतलब होगा कि वो पॉजिटिव नंबर आएगा. क्लियर? एंड इफ 0 डिग्री गिवन देन you will see the situation. Clear? Now A5, the temperature in 5 different places in India on a particular day. Again, place and temperature. First place temperature is 15 degrees Celsius. Second place temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. Third place minus 10 degrees Celsius. Fourth one minus 1 degree Celsius. And fifth one 5 degrees Celsius. Now see, in this question आपको माइनस और प्लस में ऑलरेडी गिवन है. हेयर इन फ्रंट ऑफ द टेम्परेचर इफ नो साइन इज देयर इट मीन्स दैट इज ऑफ प्लस. they represent the above 0 degree temperature, right? The question is the temperature closest to 0 degree Celsius. Closest means close, or you can say near, right? So when you draw a number line 0 1 2 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, see this temperature, which one is near? This one or either all are far away. So closest means nearest. Which one is the nearest? 15, it goes far away. 10 also up to here. 4 5 6 7 8, it can't comes on it. 9 and 10. 10 is here, right? Minus 10 degree it also comes here. Minus 1 degree here and 5 degree here. So which one is near? Minus 1, 5, 10, minus 10. Near is minus 1 degree Celsius, right? So the closest means nearest. Nearest is minus 1 degree Celsius. Clear to everyone? So when in this type of questions अगर आपको टेम्परेचर गिवन है वहाँ से क्लोजेस्ट फाइंड आउट करना है तो आप चेक करो 0 के नियरेस्ट क्या है. माइनस की टर्म गिवन है, पॉजिटिव गिवन है. अगर यहाँ +1 ऑल्सो गिवन इट मीन्स द नियरेस्ट वन इज +1. क्लियर? So it will depend on the temperatures given to you. All points are clear. If no sign given, it means it is a positive sign. Now the exercise is finished. 6.1. Tomorrow we will do exercise 6.2, which one is representing the numbers on the number line. Let me show you. It is represents the integers on the number line. Okay, or I will tell you how to represent these numbers on the